OSOlink Step Navigation, an add-on for contact form that adds a step-by-step process to your form, is suitable for registration forms, survey forms, and even test forms, and improving form styling. Along with improving form aesthetics, OSOlink Step Navigation also does so. Customizable navigation buttons are also available. Steps for installation. First, go to the Advanced Modules website and look for Step Navigation plugin. Second, navigate My Account, go to Downloads menu. Third, is you can add your domain name to the API table. And then fourth, you can start downloading the plugin. After doing the 4 steps, go to your WordPress site and upload the Step Navigation for Contact Form plugin. Now the plugin is prepared to be activated. Step Navigation features. Form ID. Step label. Previous button HTML. Next button HTML. Custom form class. Button color hover. Form animation. Form template. And form style. For more updates on our plugin development, you can visit our official website at OSOlink.com and see some of our services on our Facebook page at OSOlink Solutions Web Design and Development Services.